Eric Mwatha with Mwatha.com. Let's take a look here at a perfect example of a stock that shows us how we should view areas that are critical to a stock's behavior. On the monthly here, we are taking a look at 69.1 and also at 50 or at the 50 level on the monthly chart, all data for MELI. Now let's begin with the uniform activity around 69.1. Now throughout the entire trading history for this stock, you can see every time it hits 69.1 and stalls with uniform action, you can see it makes a multi-month high. Same thing here, a multi-month high. It went above 69.1 and back below it with uniform action for the highs here, and then you get a little bit of a substantial move lower. You have another instant here where the stock touches 69.1 with uniform action during that period and pulls back. And again, over the last 2-3 months, it hit that level with uniform action, and already we see a 10% correction. Chances are, as long as that's the case with uniform activity rejection in the last month or so, we can still expect this to pull back even deeper based on previous monthly chart behavior and reaction around 69.1. Now that's one view. The other view is take a look at how the stock responds every time it touches the 50 level and holds with uniform action. Take a look at this uniform action support at 69.1 for the lows there. And of course the stock would go on a recovery run. So here we see a recovery run, and it also goes to new highs right here. We can see a period where the stock held the 50 level over a period of months, consolidating. Finally, it did move above that range, or it moved above this range here. So we're talking about this range. Once it moved above that range here, you can see it recovered, and also it went to new highs. Again, new highs after holding this 50 level here. We see another bounce below 50, back above it with uniform action. Once it clears that range on the RSI, which is here, during this month, the stock goes on another run and also goes to fresh highs yet again. We see the same thing here. You can see uniform action below 50, back above it, uniform action below 50, back above it, and eventually it clears that range there. So during this period here, which is this month, you can see that it goes on another run, and more importantly, it records a fresh move to fresh all-time highs. So we can see that the stock has been responding to two critical levels with uniform action. You can see rejection at 69.1 every time it gets there. It's a good logical place to go short the stock or to take your profits, and it seems to have held 50 on the RSI level throughout its trading history, and every time it holds and clears that range after showing support around 50, you can see it goes on to record fresh highs. So we can say the stock has been giving good buy signals over the last, let's call it 8 years or so. In fact, let's go back to about 2011, so let's say about 7 years or so, and right now we are seeing that it is off the highs after hitting 69.1. So what is in play here more than likely is for a deeper correction for now. Eric Mwatha with Mwatha.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessings.